Welcome back to Cliffie Love to Eat. Got me some saltfish and ackee. I'm gonna make me some ackee and saltfish. Right now, guys, I'm gonna show you how I do it. How we do it back home in Jamaica. So these ackees in the tin, yeah, they're already cooked. Normally, we get the one out of the tree. In Jamaica, I will cook it. But this one in the tin already cooked. Yeah. Already just warm it up. Yeah. And this is saltfish right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I got my pot here, put some water in it, put it on the stove, and put my saltfish in it. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how I do it, guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys, to Cliffie Love to Eat channel. So, guys, I got some saltfish here for you guys. I'm gonna cook some ackee and saltfish with cooked dumpling. You know what I'm saying? So I got my water on the pot on the stove. So I'm gonna take out my saltfish here. Take it off. And then I put it in the pot. Put it off in the pot. Ooh, looking good. Saltfish looking good, guys. Ooh, well, it's gonna be nice. Look at that. Put it in the pot. So the salt, most of salt boil the out, so you don't wanna. That's why we put it in the pot to boil, because it's salty. So you want most of the salt out of it, the saltfish. That's why it's called saltfish. That I gotta make my ackee. There's ackee in the tin. They already cooked in the tin already. So all I have to do is warm it up. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and how I mix it with the saltfish. And that's what we call it, ackee and saltfish. Because we're gonna mix up both of them together. I'll see you guys. I'll show you guys how I do my ackee. So I'm gonna finish with the saltfish first, then I'll show you guys how I do the ackee. So guys, see you soon. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, welcome back again. So guys, I got this pot here. I'm gonna put my ackee in here. This is my ackee. Put it in there. Let it cook a little bit, because this is already cooked, but I want it to be hot. So I'm gonna cook it a little bit. Cook it a little bit more. So I'm gonna open it up. Can. Go. Then I'm gonna strain this off. Then I'm gonna pour my ackee in the pot. Look at that. Woo! Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Woo! Yes, the 1 can is a lot. Wow, I don't even know. 1 can, guys, is a lot. Actually, gonna take out some of this water. Still, I put too much water. And I got my saltfish boiling. So, yeah. I got my saltfish boiling. Yeah, so I don't want to cover the pot, guys, because the water gonna run over, gonna boil over. See it already? I gotta turn it down. See it's coming up? Yeah. But I can cover this one, the Ackee, right there. Okay, so let me try the saltfish. It's too salty. I can try some. So it's a little bit salty, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain off some of this water and put the fresh water in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna make me my dumpling. I'm gonna need my flour. So right here I got my all-purpose flour. You see, all-purpose flour. Pour a little bit in here. Make my dumpling. And then got some cornmeal. Got some cornmeal, guys. So normally what we do, we're making cooked dumpling. You gotta put cornmeal in it. Just like a 2 spoonful cornmeal. Yeah, because you don't want to use the bare flour. Too much starch. You want to put some cornmeal in it to give it different taste, flavor. Yeah. How we do it? And then I get my salt, sea salt. So I'm gonna put a little bit in there. Yeah, just to give it the flavor, taste. Yeah. Then you mix it up like this. Yeah, see the flour? Yeah, mixed up like this. Yeah. Okay. Then what you want to do, what I want to do is pour a little bit of water in it at a time until it reaches to the temperature, the way you want it to be. You don't want to make it too soft, soft, soft. You know? And I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, a little bit more water. Yeah. Yeah, see it look? Yeah, I'm gonna need all of this flour. Feel soft and nice, you know? Yeah. Put just a little bit more water. Right there. This is how it look, guys. This is how you want it to be. Like a dough. You know? So you want it to be. And then I'm gonna roll them. Roll them and make it in like a car wheel. Cartwheel. Yeah, we call it cartwheel. Yeah. Make them like a cartwheel. That's how we do it. Yeah. Ooh, I can look good. So now I finished made my dumpling. So when I'm ready to cook it, I'll show you guys how to make the cartwheel. So I'm going to sit for a little while till I finish my Ackee and my Saltfish. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Cliffie will be back. Yeah, man. And so now I'm gonna take off my saltfish off the fire, and I'm gonna strain the water and put some water, cold water in it. Let it cool down. So I'll just put some cold water in there like this. Yeah, let it soak a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna put them down. Yeah. Then I got my water here for my dumpling. So we'll put my dumpling in here, guys. So I'm gonna let it water boil first before I put it in there. Then I put some salt in there. For the dumpling. Yeah, just like that. Let it boil. My Ackee look good. Look at the Ackee. Woo! So this is what you want, guys. So this is done. Ackee's done. So I'm going to strain the water off and put it aside till I'm ready to saute. Yeah. Strain out my Ackee. Look good. So I'm going to put it aside. Then I'm gonna get my pot pot. I'm gonna saute the saltfish and the ackee. Saute, guys. Yeah, so first I'm gonna cut up my bell pepper. So I got my bell pepper, my onions, and my scallion. Saute. I'm gonna cut it up right now. First, here I got some avocado oil. Put some avocado oil in there. Then I'm gonna cut up my scallion and this stuff. Okay. It's a nice, beautiful day today, guys, and I can't wait to taste my Ackee and Saltfish. Guys, since I've been in the United States, it's like I never eat any Ackee and Saltfish, guys, and I've been here over 10 years now. Yeah. And my wife met this friend, and she never knew that she's a Jamaican until she heard her speak in a different language, and she let my wife let she know that I'm a Jamaican too. Yeah, she from she's from a different state, from Washington. She live here, and she's the one that give me the saltfish, guys. She shipped it to me because I've been telling her that I don't eat saltfish and ackee since I've been here. And she sent me some, guys, and I'm so excited to eat my culture food, my Jamaican dish. Ackee and Saltfish is our dish, national dish. So I'm saying, I'm so happy, guys. Happy for that. Yeah. And her name is Minnie. And I want to shout out to Minnie. Thank you, Minnie, for sending me the saltfish. And I get this ackee at a Asian store, guys, in Washington here. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put my yeah. Put my seasoning in it like that. Yeah. Let it simmer. I'm gonna put my saltfish in there, but I'm gonna mince it up. I'm gonna mince up my saltfish, guys. Like tear it apart like this, a little bit like this, you know. Just go into it. Tear it apart. Take it apart. Yeah. 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 So I'm gonna taste it. Taste the saltfish to see if it's too salty. So, to me, just a little bit salty, guys. So I'm gonna run some water on it and take out some more of the salt. That's how salty this saltfish is, guys. I gotta boil it, because I boiled it 2 times. And now I gotta put water on it to take out some more of the salt. Yeah. So now, guys, my saltfish is better and tastes better now. Yeah, not too salty. So now what I'm gonna do, flip this. Then I got me some tomato. This tomato, they already washed. These little tomatoes. So I'm gonna cut some in my thing right here. Put some in there. Tomato. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to put my saltfish in there when I'm done with the tomato. And then let the saltfish fry a little bit. You know? Yeah. Alright. That's it. That, and then put my saltfish in there. Woo! Look at that! Look at that, guys. Look at that. See? Look at that. So I'm gonna let my sausage fry a little bit. Yeah. See? Yeah. Yeah. Fry a little bit, guys. Then I'm gonna put my black pepper, guys, in there. Black pepper. And I got some red pepper. Some red pepper flakes. Some red pepper flakes, guys. Yep. And then I have some garlic powder. Garlic powder right here. Some garlic powder in there. Alrighty. And I got my all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning, guys. Yeah. Then you want to stir him up now. Got my saltfish. Stir them up like that. So I fry. And then I got my ackee now. Pour my ackee on top. Pour my ackee on top, guys. Then I mix them up like this. Mix them up. Yeah. This is how my ackee and saltfish look. Amazing. Yeah, that's how I want to look, guys. Put a little more black pepper in it. And more all-purpose seasoning. Gives the flavor. Flavory. Ackee and saltfish. Yeah. This is how you want it, guys. Like that. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put my dumpling in the pot, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys. On my dumpling. This is my dumpling. I'm gonna show you how I make it. And I put it in the pot. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna wash my hand. Like when I'm kneading the dumpling. Okay. All right. So I'll make my dumpling now. Put it in the pot. Some more water. I put a little more water in the pot. Like that. Yeah. Then take a little one like this. You do it like this. You knead it. And sink it. Sink a little hole in it like this. Sink like a cartwheel. Yeah. That's how I do it, guys. Put it in the pot. Another one. You knead it like a cartwheel. And you press it down. And you do this. Yeah, we can sink in it like that. Put them down in there. You knead again. You sink it. Yeah, that's how we make our dumpling back home, guys. It's our regular meal. Regular meal. Cooked dumpling. Yeah. We always cook dumpling with cooked with cooked banana and yellow yam or white yam. But I don't see any banana at this store, guys. For real. And they don't have our kind of yam that we have in Jamaica. They don't have this kind of our yam that we always cook with, always eat. So right now I'm just cooking just the dumpling, because sometimes we always do that back home. If we don't have anything else to cook with the dumpling, we just go with the dumpling alone, and that's still perfect. Yeah, see my dumpling right there. Got the last one left. Go. This is the last one in the pot, so I made 6 cartwheel. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna wait until my dumpling cook. Yeah, and I'll show you. Yeah, and my Ackee and Saltfish, it look good, guys. Ackee and Saltfish, look at that, delicious. And my dumpling over here cooking. Yeah, this is Ackee and Saltfish. Yeah, that's how we look, guys. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. When everything done and I put it on the plate, you'll see how we look, guys. I'll show you guys. So stay tuned. Yeah, man. Peace. Oh, Jamaican. You're Jamaican.
Okay. All right.
You're Jamaican. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back. What's us? No. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back, guys, to Cliffie Love to Eat YouTube channel.